drivers. It's week 2, and actually we're a little bit beyond 2 weeks, but it's the second full week he's been on the job, and contractor got a lot done. We didn't get as much done this week as we had hoped. Um, Drywall is in and the plumbing is finished on the double vanity. He had to come back and redo that. That was not done properly before. The tub and shower drains are in. The tub and shower plumbing is complete. And he also moved that little 2-inch pipe there in the corner that used to kind of cut across where the shower is going to be. He did get that tucked in to the corner there so we can have our bench there in the corner, and it'll be cantilevered like we planned rather than having to build a base under it. Things have been going really well, except that our tile was supposed to be here this week and it's not. And his plan for Friday was to put down the new tile. Also, you can see he removed all of the old tile. The old tile really put up a big fight. He was in here with his jackhammer, and instead of sort of sliding the jackhammer blade under the tile and the tile lifting up, it was just sticking to the floor and just shattering into little bitty pieces. And so there was tile shards flying everywhere. The tile just did not want to come up. And so that took him a good bit longer than he had hoped. But he got it all out, and then he got his diamond blade and ground the floor nice and smooth, and a couple of small cracks appeared in the foundation. I don't know if you can see it here. Right there underneath that patch. And there's another one here and another one here. It's kind of hard to see underneath his tools. And so this patch you see here, this is a membrane that should isolate the new tile from the subfloor. So if that crack moves or expands any, it won't transfer through to the new tile and cause the new tile to crack. So some things went really well this week and went as planned, but the tile not being here has kind of set us back a little bit. And he has a cruise coming up that he will be going on in just under 2 weeks from now. So his goal is to get this finished before he has to go on his cruise. And I tell you what, of course I got my fingers crossed that he gets the job finished, but also I'm thinking I'm in the wrong business. But anyway, fingers crossed that all goes as planned next week and we get back on schedule. And so I appreciate you watching, and please come back next week and let's see where we stand. Thanks.